welcome back to another episode of Brothers Lore Lego. Today, we are unboxing the Garten of Banban minifigures. So I've unboxed the Rainbow Friends before, but today I went to Target and got the Garten of Banban minifigures. These minifigures are available at Target. They come in a 4-set piece, which includes 4 super cool minifigures. And these are the figures that I ended up getting. For our first minifigure, we have Jumbo Josh. Jumbo Josh is the one that you see at the end of the game. I've actually played it before, but I decided to do it off camera. I actually didn't play it. It's pretty crazy. It's kind of awesome. As you can see, the detail on this figure actually looks very good. I have no idea why he is sitting on his hands. Also, this. Why is he sticking his booty out? That's inappropriate. But we got Jumbo Josh. This figure looks very good. Figure number 2, we have Banban. Now, I had to get a Banban figure. He's the main character of the entire Garten of Banban. If you guys ever played Garten of Banban, tell me in the comments which chapter is your favorite. Because they're releasing a Garten of Banban 0 very soon. And I have no idea what to expect. So we got the Banban figure. Honestly, this figure actually looks a little bit better than Jumbo Josh. Because Banban doesn't have a butt, but Jumbo Josh is sticking out his booty. But Banban is not showing his booty too. He doesn't have big hands like Jumbo Josh does. We got Banban. The next one. We got Bambalina. Bambalina is basically Banban's wife. You see wall art of Bambalina in the first game, but you get to meet her in the second game, which is pretty cool. And she's like a teacher, and apparently after the class you had to escape. So I had no idea what to expect. I didn't think Bambalina in the game, she has like purple eyes with a purple drooling out of her body. Eyes, but with this one, they didn't put that. It kind of looks like she has one foot facing down, and the other foot kind of looks like she's walking. Yeah, it does kind of look like she's walking because of the hands. For the final figure we got Ophelia Bird, another classic character. Like, just like our boy Jumbo Josh, Ophelia Bird has a couple problems. Because, I don't know if you know this, but they could definitely do the feet better. And she's a little creepy. So she chases you around in the game. If I played Garten of Banban, I would play it on Roblox because it's a little easier on Roblox than in the original game. Got Ophelia Bird. She's like the main bad guy, and you have to find the eggs too.